What's up, guys? And welcome one more time here to my channel. I'm Crypto B, and today I'm trying to do a live from my OBS to see if it works. Let's see how that's gonna work out. Let me go here to the YouTube. I want to see if I am actually live and you guys can hear me. Let's see. Let me put a sound here. To my channel. Yes, it's working. That's so cool. So nice to be here, guys, with you all. Today I'm bringing some news. I'm gonna call these lives that I'm doing now. I'm gonna call it Crypto B Show. It's the Crypto B Show, and I welcome the CB family. I need to create a name for everybody who follows here, or not. So I hope everybody's having a great weekend. How is your weekend? Is it red? Or your weekend it's green? So let's go through a little bit the market here today. Please, if anybody goes in the chat, if you're watching or anyone goes into the chat, please drop me a message so I know that you are here. Let me fix this because I have some. Okay, let's see now if it's clear out. I think it clears a little bit. So as we can see today here, today's crypto price market cap, it's up 1.59% increase over the last day, which is great. As we can see on the last 24 hours, Bitcoins have going up 2.41%. This morning we were a little bit below 18,000, and just now we are actually above 19,100. Ethereum went 4% up, so it's a little bit more than Bitcoins. It's 1,342, and then we go BNB here at 279, and we had a flip. So XRP have flipped Cardano on the chart here. But if we go into the loser way to the Quant. Yesterday, me and Papa were actually on the other show. We're talking about Quant. Quant is going up. I am actually thinking in starting to DCA in Quant, but not now, because now I need to wait a little bit to go down. Otherwise, it's gonna be just impossible to get at this price. I would rather wait to drop again when BTC drop. So I start to see Prakashan. How are you doing, my man? Nice to have you here. It's the first time I'm using OBS. Nice to have you here. Let's see if you're gonna get this message that I just sent. Yeah, I think you did. So I can see my chat here as well, which is great. Please do drop a message to see if you, boom, can hear me. So we have Shiba Inu, which in fact we have a news on Shiba Inu here, 11% up. As you can see, he is going up, and Dogecoin and Chainlink. I do have a message news on Chainlink also. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Prakashi Varamani. How are you doing, brother? Thanks so much for being here. Solana is up 7%, so I am good because I started last week DCA in Solana. Curve is also doing good at 4.94%, which is great. Bitcoin Cash at 120, so it went up 4% as well. Let's check here also the losers. And the losers in this case, of course, after the rally that XRP had yesterday, going all the way to 50, not 49 cents, now it dropped. Flat Earth Underground, how are you doing, my man? I am not using StreamYard today, so I cannot add you guys. Let me check if I cannot. No, I can't. I cannot add on the screen the chat. That's something that OBS needs to fix. I cannot add here. I'm trying a new stream today with a different layout to see if you guys like, and I hope you guys do. Welcome to the show one more time here. It's just I'm going to start to doing those shows, which I will call for now the Crypto B Show, which will bring news, market watch and stuff like this on crypto as well. Algorand, I also start to DCA Algorand. I believe Algorand is going to do good on the next bull market. I mean, as you can see here, the last 7 days it did 20%. And XRP did 27%. We saw news yesterday on XRP that they might win this lawsuit, but faster, which is great for crypto in general, because and then SEC will start to rethink in which kind of project or which crypto they will go after for accusing them of security. XLM also did 7% on the last 7 days, but it's on the lost side today, 1.41% down. And our weave also here. So there is some coins that I start to DCA myself, just for disclaimer. Remember that nothing here is to be considered financial advice, but I have started DCA on our weave. Kronos, Algorand, and not yet on XRP. I'm waiting for the retrace of XRP. And when I say DCA, I'm DCAing, like, guys, like you know, $20-$30 every 2-3 days, in order to start to slowly getting always the bottom. Of course, when I see in red, like this is when I like to start to DCA in, and I think is quite good. All right, so going to the first news here today, as we can see here, let me fix this a little bit so we can actually check it. So let's see if this is gonna work. This is gonna work. No, this is mine. Wait, let me see. I need to wait, not this one here. Let me close this overlay. This is the this is what I want to move a little bit to the side here, so you guys can have a better view here, right? Shiba Inu had over 35,000 holders in 3 months, despite poor Shiba price performance. Yeah, the price performance of Shiba is absolutely terrible, but still in the last 3 months they put up another 35,000 holder. That's crazy. It's crazy for our meme coins, right? So the ongoing crypto market volatility has significantly impacted meme coins like Shiba Inu, which recorded unprecedented growth in 2021. Despite the depressed market, a section of Shiba investors are potentially betting on the asset to rally by increasingly accumulating the coins, ignoring the current market condition. I guess people see opportunity there, ways of making some money, but again, guys, not financial advice. I don't have any SHIB or any meme coins on my portfolio, by the way. I'm not intent to DCA in those tokens, but if I find an opportunity or an entering point that is, I believe, to be beneficial to me in the future, of course not. Of course, I will do. Remember that here on the channel, we are looking for great projects, but we also look for projects that will give us some exponentially gains. You will multiply your investments in 10, 20, 30, 50, 100x, right? That's why we're trying to look for it, right? I do have a message here. Wait, let me take this out. Will central bank digital currency be a threat to crypto world? This was a message here from Prakashi. Maybe we don't like, what was the reason why? Let me open here. What was the reason why Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoins? For the peer-to-peer transaction, right? Be able to eliminate the middleman. If we start to have central banks centralize something that was created to be decentralized, and then maybe we are going to the wrong direction, right? I believe that the more decentralized is best for us, but still, at some point, we will see a certain level of centralization in order for people to start to be more secure, more safe. Because the only way to be safe is to go a little in a way centralize some stuff, and then maybe we need to, I don't know, find a way where we can meet in the middle, where centralized does not disrupt the DeFi project and so on and so on. So I believe that, but I mean, we are in crypto because we can actually eliminate the middleman, right? That's what I think we are here for. So as we can see here, Shiba high volatility. In the meantime, Shiba price trajectory continues to struggle in the line with the broader crypto market. Notably, the asset is still attempting to regain the heights of 2021 when it's increased in both value and popularity. One thing that for sure we cannot hide from Shiba and meme coins, in particular Shiba Inu and Dogecoins, is the popularity, right? They have the Shiba arm. So if you are from the Shiba arm and you are here on the channel, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And even if you are not, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the family here. In another news, we have here, yes, UK retail investors estimated to have spent over 30 billion pounds, not dollar, pounds on crypto, although the pound is a little bit weak this month. Although crypto price continues to record significant volatility, new data shows that the British citizens are increasingly pumping funds into the sector. In particular, the Brits have so far spent about 31.795 billion pounds, which is approximately $34 billion investing in cryptocurrency. In particular, the report styled cryptocurrency on the high street. So one thing that we want at some point is crypto reach the mainstream. So hopefully, let's say in 2030, 2027, whatever, the majority of the people in the crypto space is big. And that, my friends, is good for you and is good for me, because the more money there is in the market, more value there is on the asset, right? And if we are here now, if we are here 10 years early before this happened, trust me, we are good. We are definitely very, very good. So the amount spent on digital assets was calculated by multiplying the amounts the average Brits, such as myself, I am British. I am a Brazilian-born British citizen. So the amount spent on digital assets was calculated by multiplying the amounts the average Brits has spent on cryptocurrency by the region's latest population figure according to the World Bank. According to the findings, about 34% of the British population owns different form of cryptocurrency. A breakdown of popular cryptocurrency shows that Bitcoin rank top, of course, with a share of 20%, followed by Ethereum at 8%, while Dogecoin it's third at 6%. So wow, a lot of people are holding even Dogecoin. So as you can see here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Chainlink, the preference in the British, for the British. So next we go here, as I was talking about Chainlink, telling you guys that who's gonna be a Chainlink here. So trading expert believes Chainlink between $6 to $8 is an opportunity of a lifetime. I've been telling you guys, Chainlink, guys, is what is the link, right? Is what brings the oracle that helps so many projects in crypto, so many chains. So I like Chainlink in particular, and yes, just for disclaimer, I will start to DCA in Chainlink because I believe Chainlink will do good on the long term. It will do good now, I don't know, but on the long term, I want to believe so, all right, potentially. Despite many assets in the cryptocurrency market currently trading in the red, Chainlink is recording a slightly increase, currently standing at $7.11. In fact, we can actually go here to the coin market. In fact, we can go to my here. Where is link? Link. Where is it? It's here somewhere. Stays up here. Over here. Link. So this is this, look. This is a 4 hours, chart, okay? And look how much I'll tell you exactly how much percent has gone since 3 o'clock in the morning last night. In the 2 days, not last night, sorry, 2 days, 16 bars, 2 days and 16 hours, Chainlink went up 17.12%. 17%, guys. 17%. That's absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Despite we know that Chainlink have done the all-time high of, let me check here for you. I think it's $44. $44. So if you see, if we zoom out Chainlink, we're zooming out here on Chainlink. Let me bring inside a little bit so you guys can see the whole thing. So we zoom out here, we look, Chainlink got $52, around $52 in November last year. So my friends, Chainlink might be an opportunity out there for the not for even for the digits, because I think Chainlink is a such important project for the space. Although we start to having other oracles as well, but still I like Chainlink, okay, particular me, Crypto B. So let's go out here a little bit so I can fix you guys. And so this is Chainlink, guys. Maybe $6 to $8, which is the price right now. Maybe it's an opportunity here. What else they say here? Chainlink price analyst. Notably, Chainlink started the year bullish at high as $28 in January, but the bear got the better of it and sunk the price by whoop 74.8% since then. Wow, the current price of Chainlink, which Van de Pope considered a good opportunity to buy, is $7.11, which demonstrates an increase of 2.10% on the day, although it is still down 6.19% across the previous 7 days. The coin market capitalization stands at $3.46 billion, placing Chainlink in 23rd place among all cryptocurrencies according to the indicators as per data retrieved from the CoinMarketCap. Whales shows very much interest in Chainlink. Meanwhile, whales seems to be attracted to Chainlink as they address holding 10,000 to 1 million links token. So they're holding between 10,000 and 1 million links, man. That's not bad. Have increased their supply by more than 3% in the 4 months. And then goes back, guys, and then goes back to when people say, goes back to let's follow the smart money. You don't know what to do, you don't know where to invest. What does the people actually, the whales, people who have money, where they are deploying the money right now, like right now? People are buying Bitcoins. We just saw MicroStrategy just buying how much? It was like $6 million in Bitcoins again. So, I mean, why? You need to see where people are deploying their money now. You know, the whales, people who have a lot of money. So people are using, people are buying Chainlink at this price. And that's why they believe this to be an opportunity of a lifetime of 6 and 8. And again, guys, and again, not only financial advice, you guys hear this all the time, but is for the, if you are in the game for the long term, which I hope you are. I hope you are in crypto for the long term, right? The other day, guys, this is news on Cardano. Let me open here because the other day I had I did a video on Cardano, and this was really, really funny. I did a video on Cardano here on the channel, and someone came down and commented, this is a scam, you should not play with this, the Charlie Hodgson is a scam, whatever. Guys, I know it's completely understandable that not everybody in the space like everything in crypto, right? Maybe some people, they get wrecked because they got in crypto on the wrong time, and so they buy the bottle and then the coins drop, they will never go up again because we are in a very long, extensive bear market. But it's not everything is a scam, right? Not everything is a scam, guys. Some projects are good. Maybe some, like there is some projects that I like, that I don't like, that I will probably not invest, but they are not scam. Maybe are even projects that will not pick up, or project that people will not invest. It doesn't mean the people behind those projects are scammers, or which also does not mean that those projects are not. Some projects, yes, There is a lot of bad actors and a lot of people that want to scam, use the space in order to scam people, of course. And that's why you must do your diligence, learn about the project, and see the which project you fit in as a better investor. And that's why I bring to you the information. I try to bring to you as much information as I believe in projects that I think that this project is good for the community and can bring a lot of gains for the community. It doesn't mean that I will also maybe at some point not make it wrong and make a mistake. But the intention that I have is the best. I look into projects, I see, and I think, oh, this one, it looks good, and I would like to bring that to the community, to the channel. And that's what I do. I bring my information to you, as much information that I can feed you with, because after the more knowledge you have, better you will have. You will better take decisions. When those time for you to take a decision, invest or not invest, you will have more knowledge about it, and like this become much easier. Prakashi, where do you get the data from regarding institutional investment? I do like anybody does. I am in the middle of the space. I'm in the communities. So basically what I do is I go into all the communities from all the projects that I like. I go to, meaning Twitter, Discord, Telegram. Those three guys, you guys must have. You must download those and have with you at all time. Do not click in DMs. Do not click in links. Don't click in links on DM. Don't share your address, especially don't share your seed phrase. Real people in the crypto space will never be asking you for money. So it's not like that, right? It's not like that. So yeah, I do my own diligence as much as you do as well. The way you should do is the same as the way I do. I spend hours every single day on Discord, on Telegram, on Twitter Space, watching videos on YouTube, check, and every information that I get, I don't decide because I watch one of the crypto influencers that I like. He told me something. He told something on the YouTube, and I'm gonna go invest my money because I heard that. No, I think, oh, that might be a good idea. So what I do, I take the person's information and I go to the communities, I go to the websites, and I will investigate further in order to see if that project that was shielded or told by a YouTuber or I seen an advert on Twitter, whatever. I will verify that information to see if it fits my way of investing, or my purpose to invest in cryptocurrency. And I think, and I encourage you guys to do the same, right? So let's go back here, guys. Cardano, as I told you guys, the other day, somebody wrote me a message on the video of Cardano saying, don't do this scam, whatever. I like Cardano. I don't think Cardano's a scam. I think Cardano is out there. I mean, it's been so many years. Cardano price unmoved by value upgrade despite ADA social mention hit record high. So Cardano didn't move yet. I still believe Cardano will gonna go. It's a good entry point. I do DCA in Cardano because I like it. I think when it explodes, if not, only remember always to invest monies that you are willing to lose, so you don't get wrecked. The Vasil hard fork has emerged as one of Cardano's ADA necessary and important network updates that have been taught to improve the blockchain performance and establish it as formidable decentralized crypto projects. So this was a great upgrade. I think it helps a lot Cardano, the ecosystem and so on. The run-up to the upgrades has resulted in significant interest in Cardano from the crypto community. Indeed, as of September 23, ADA daily social mention hit 52,470,000, a record high over a 90 days period. In total, ADA has records 2.32 million social mentions, according to Lunar Crash. As you can see here, it skyrocketed 2.32 million mentions on social media. interested in ADA spikes ahead of Vasil hard fork. The correlation between the ADA social mentions and the Vasil fork should not come as a surprise, considering that the network upgrade is viewed as bullish event for the crypto space. Notably, with the broader crypto market volatility, ADA is potentially considered among the digital assets likely to pull the sector out of the bearish momentum, which I like so as well. I think Cardano, just like XRP, I think they are tokens that will also spike the market a little bit. I mean, people are so tired of the bearish of the bear that they cannot wait to start to go back up. At the same time, the uptick in social mention appears to have ignored any previous concern regarding the Vasil hard fork, delaying rollout due to alleged software testing and bugs. Notably, Cardano development has progressed slowly as the team seeks to remain cautious. Interestingly, Charlie Hodgson, the founder of Cardano, had asserted that the Vasil upgrade is not for the average Cardano user, while dismissing criticism for the delay. This was happening before the upgrade, but as the upgrade just happened, let's wait now, guys. Let's give them a little chance to wait and see how that's going to work out. ADA price analysis. In this line, the upgrade sets to improve the smart contracts feature and enhance security. It's viewed as bullish triggered for the assets. For instance, over 24 hours after the upgrade, the value of ADA has recorded minor gain, but is still overhyped by the impact of the general crypto market price correction. As you can see here, it didn't spike so much like XRP did when people thought the XRP was on the next hours would be winning the SEC. But I still believe in Cardano. I think Cardano is a good asset. It's gonna be here 100% on not 100%, right? Speculation, but it's gonna be here for sure on the next bull. And let's see how it's going to work out, guys. If you like Cardano, I think let's see the chart of Cardano right now. The Chainlink chart is unbelievable nice. Especially for people who bought on the bot. This is Cardano for me here. As you guys can see here, let me put it up so you guys can see on the window. This is the golden pocket. In case I believe that Cardano, if it goes up, it's right in the center of my triangle here. If it goes up, which can go or can go down as well, goes up to this box here of 47 to 48, right? It's a 4 hours candle, but I also dropped here in case it drops. We might see dropping to around 38, 37, 35 cents. Especially if Bitcoins drop, right? Which is not the case at the moment. Bitcoin is it's holding there. Let's take this down. As you can see here on the golden pockets there, my Bitcoin here, it has broken the triangle here, as we can see. But if it goes up, gonna go all the way to 20. Would BTC maybe reach 20,000? It's at 19,000 sharp right now. You guys cannot see here. Let me put for you guys so you guys can see here. See, 19,000 sharp, 19,000 sharp. This chart of Bitcoins over here. So this is Cardano. One more. This is really cool actually. I really like this one here, guys. I think it's really cool. Growth of Bitcoin's ATMs installed globally stalls for the first time in history. That's really cool. I mean, if we want mass adoption of crypto, as we were talking before, I think the Bitcoin ATM is a must, right? In tandem, within the fall in the broader cryptocurrency market, the growth of Bitcoin's ATMs installed around the world has also been affected by stalling for the first time in history, according to data acquired by Finbold. There are 38,538 crypto ATMs across 77 countries, as per Coin's ATM Radar statistics retrieved on September 23. Although this represents a marginal climb since the start of September 38,458, it is still a drop off from the total number of installation in August 1st. Notably, the number on the date was 38,757, showing that crypto installation haven't made any significant advance in almost 2 months since. But we can see here, guys, from 2014, crypto ATMs number look towards 2022, guys. Look this, it's absolutely massive. The relevance should not come as a surprise, given that the expansion of cryptocurrency ATMs worldwide fell by 32% in the second quarter, from 2,362 to 1,600 machines. Still, we are a very, very uptrend line here within ATMs machine. And the reason why I believe this is very important for crypto, because as we are moving along with crypto adoption worldwide, it's important to have those machines around. I think that's very important, and it's very, very good for crypto. My question to you now, it's, are you a crypto tourist? Are you here? Or maybe you are not here now, you're speculating the market because you're not sure if you go in, if you go out, because everything is dropping now and you're scared of the economy it's a lot of things that comes with the bear market, is the economy, the war in Ukraine. So there's a lot of things that make us to be where we are now economically. So we probably will see even worse times to come yet. Maybe towards the end of the year, who knows? Maybe how long still this bear market will last, we don't really know. But very important, you need to think, I am here for the long term. And that's why you will see a lot of crypto influencers such as myself say to people, start to DCA in projects that you believe, in projects that you like. Take all those informations that I'm giving to you right now, go and dig deeper on those information. Chainlink, ADA, XRP, Postchain, PostX, Hex. There's so many projects out there, beautiful projects that even here on my channel, you will find a lot of coins, a lot of news, a lot of projects that you can investigate even further. So if you start now, guys, don't be afraid. The bull market will come back. That's for sure, right? We don't know when that's going to happen because of the time we are right now. But we've been bearish for almost a year already. So zoom out so you can check how the market is at the moment. Zoom out and relax, study, invest in yourself first, and then start to accumulate. Because when that time comes of the bull market, when the bull market starts to come, and then, my friends, we're gonna be all happy, right? One more question here. Which is best, PLS or PLSX? What's best, PLS, Postchain token, or PostX token? What's best, Ethereum token or Uniswap token? What do you think? Remember that Postchain, the PLS token, is the native token from the Postchain network. So in order for you to use the network or be in the blockchain, in the Postchain chain, you need PLS in order to pay gas fees, to do things, to move around, right? Probably if you get in projects, you'll be able to. In fact, I will, for whoever stayed with me until now, didn't finish yet, I'm gonna show you guys some very nice sneak peek of PostSpots. PostSpots is a great project on the Postchain ecosystem, and they did a sneak peek, some photos of how the DApp is gonna look like, and I will show you guys right now as well. Because if you're not on the Telegram, go in and join the PostSpot, because they have a very nice project for you. I have some videos here on the channel where you can see about this project. But I like PLS token, but my preference will go to PostX, PLSX, because I have not sacrificed for PLS, and I only sacrifice for PostX. So my PLS bag, my Postchain bag, which I will have, I need to build from zero. Of course, I have nothing. I missed the sacrifice phase, and that's why I'm jumping. But I prefer PostX first, because everything will be used, or not everything, but the majority of the thing will be used, all the transaction on the DEX, on PulseX. And saying that, for every single transaction will be 0.07% of the fee that will be charged to do those transactions to buy back and burn PLSX. And this, if you don't know, whenever the token are bought out from the market and burned, make the supply goes down, and that means that the price appreciation goes higher. So if I'm holding, and of course I am, I'm telling you, I'm a holder of PulseX, not yet, because PulseX and PLS doesn't exist yet. It's only on the testnet. But when mainnet comes out, and then those tokens going to be airdropped in a zero, with zero price, a dollar value. We're going to have $0 value, and then only market maker will start to make transactions. That's when we're going to know more or less the price for those tokens. But of course, when mainnet comes out, be careful, because things are going to be very volatile. Volatility is going to be very big, especially within first week. I'm going to definitely wait for a month also, or a big dip on the PLS to start to buy the dip. That's me, okay? One thing that I would like to show you guys here on the, so let me bring this to you guys. Let's see if you guys can see here. You guys not gonna be able to see this, I think. Let me see, because it's not on the, I would need to go in, let me see if I can bring, let me put here, guys, the picture. Let me see if I can bring image. But that's, I would have to bring video capture, window capture. Let's see, photo. Let's just 1 second here to see if I can bring that in. The growth HM photos. Okay, so maybe it's this. No, it did not bring me the photos. So I cannot bring you guys this, but what I can tell you, and I can show you here, is we go here to Twitter. And I don't know if they put on the Twitter, but that would be nice to show you guys, but I don't have it here. Maybe, wait. Maybe if I go here, let me take this out here, guys. Let me open here the Telegram, and then maybe I can show you guys here. So give me 1 second. So if I'm go here on the Telegram, where is it? And then I can show you Postpot, Telegram, and then I can show you guys here, I think. So let me join here. So here, Postpot, yes. All right, so this, let me bring this out a little bit so you guys can see. Look how cool is this, guys. This is Postpot. For everybody who's still here, this is Postpot inside. So they already have a swap, as you can see here. Very, very cool. This will be the game. Will be launched around 1st of October. So let me see if I can go another photo here for you guys. This one here. Very nice. Look, you can stake your token. This is the referral, so you're gonna be able to have referrals. This is the roulette, which is with NFTs. This will be the sport bets. This is the tokenomics. As you can see, 75% will be airdrop monthly to the holders of BNBP. 20% to daily buy back and burn the token, which is, again, as we said before, price appreciation, and 5% a weekly lottery. That's absolutely lovely. So guys, here, of course, if you go to my Twitter, and you guys can follow me on Twitter as well. And of course, if you are here already on the YouTube and you follow me up to now, and it's so great you guys to have you guys here with me. I'm gonna fix the thumbnail for this project. As we can see here, there's no thumbnail. I'm gonna fix this here. For now, there's one person watching only. Thank you very, very much. And then you guys can also follow me here because it will help me so much. I will start to do lives over here OBS as well, so I can try some different layouts, and again just trying to improve the streaming for the community. Be careful out there. The market, it is everything is on red, but I'm very bullish in crypto in general for the long term. So if you are as well, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for being here with me or to watch this video later or not. I will be doing more Crypto B show, live show, Crypto B live show, something like this. I need to come up with a nice name for you guys. And I will see you guys on the next video, or maybe in another live. And how do I stop this now? Now this is the thing, see? Where do I stop? Settings, to start, control, streaming, start recording. How do you stop recording? That was my point. I'm trying to start and record, start replaying, stop streaming. Guys, thank you so much.